Tasty Makers coming at you with the cheesecake today.
Okay, pause for a second. So this video, Nick is going to be commentating, and I'm the one that's actually cooking. And so I just wanted to say, Nick has no idea what's happening with this video. He has no idea even what I'm making, and I don't think he's ever really made cheesecake before. All right, let's go back.
Let's do it. Got graham crackers, some sugar, unsalted butter, cream cheese, heavy cream, sour cream, flour, and salt. Who knew there was cheese in cheesecake? Oh, don't forget the vanilla bean and the eggs. Here we go. Spray that tin out. Make sure nothing sticks to the sides, because nobody likes to be sticky. Here we go. Cream cheese goes...
Those graham crackers.
Those are the graham crackers. Graham crackers go into the food processor. Then
with sugar and butter.
With the sugar and the butter, we process those. And you pour the graham crackers into there in slow motion. You pour them in slow motion, and then you flatten them. And then you take the cream cheese and put it in here with salt, sugar. Then you mix that up. Mix really fast. Slow motion mix. Make sure you know how to do slow motion at home. Look at all that cream cheese.
That's vanilla pod.
Then you go grab a pen. You pull the ink out of the pen. And just kidding, this is vanilla bean. You open the vanilla bean up and you use that. Look at that vanilla. I can smell it on the microphone. He puts that in the cream cheese. Then you get sour cream. Sour cream.
Good for you.
Very good, because it's sour and not sweet. You mix that all in with the vanilla. Make sure you do it in slow motion. Don't forget. Then you put in an egg. And you beat it. Like Michael Jackson said. Put another egg in. Beat it again.
Guess what?
Another egg. That's 3 eggs, guys. Boom. Egg number 10. Just kidding. Only do 4 eggs, guys. Look at that sexy show. Look at that. Then, look at that graham cracker crust. We're going to pour that right over that. Look at that delicious mixture of cream cheese and other dairy products. Hope you're not lactose intolerant, because I am. Oh, look at it. Okay, we're getting tin foil out.
Wrap it up so that
wrap that up.
Moisture stays in.
So that the moisture stays in there and you don't burn the sides.
I actually have no idea what the science is behind it.
There is no actual science involved in this. You place the cheesecake in the middle of a big tin. You put water around it. I don't know why. Then we place it into the oven like that. Bam. Bye, sweetie. Waiting.
This is the Japanese one. Emojoie.
Oh, and now we're going to do it like the Japs do it. Let's go. You take graham crackers. This sounds almost exactly like how we did the other one. See, you start with graham crackers, same thing. Japanese are just copying the Americans. That's probably what's happening.
The Japanese do it by hand.
Oh, the Japanese do it by hand. They put butter into the graham crackers like that by hand. No food processor involved. They then put them into the tin by hand and flatten them by hand with a spoon by hand. They then place butter along the sides by hand because they do everything by hand, whereas us Americans, we hire machines to do everything. Here we go. What's up next? Glass bowl.
Cream cheese.
Cream cheese.
Guess what's next?
Straight from the cow. Salger. Salt and sugar.
Salger.
Just kidding, it's just sugar. Here we go. He mixes. Mix by hand, just like the Japs do it. We then add, what is that? Sour cream?
Sour cream.
Sour crema.
Sour crema.
Crema.
No, like this.
Because now we're in Mexico. Because you know Mexico borders Japan. We mix it in slow motion. Very sexy. Then we add heavy crema. Back in Mexico again. But now we're flying back to Japan to mix it by hand. Mix. Ooh. Add 1 egg. 3 eggs.
2 eggs.
2 eggs. 2
Huevos.
eggs. Huevos. Again, we're in Mexico, not Japan, guys. Figure it out. We had cornstarch, very healthy. Cornstarch is the healthiest of all starches. We then take vanilla bean extract instead of real vanilla bean.
Vanilla dream extract.
Fake Japanese. We then squeeze a lemon into the mixture. Lemon. There we go. Now we pour it over the graham cracker that we did by hand, and we're pouring it also by hand.
How else do you pour it?
By machine. There we go. Let it settle. Then we put it in the oven. Don't worry, guys. We have 2 ovens. We're fancy like that.
It's a top and bottom oven.
It's a top and bottom oven. Only real households have that. Top hats. Tasty hat.
It's what goes on top.
This goes on top. What is this?
Sour cream.
Oh, sour cream, sugar, salgar, vanilla bean extract.
Just vanilla.
Mix it. Just vanilla bean. I'm sorry.
Vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract.
And then you cover it.
Emojoie. And then you take that. You take lots of
Frozen raspberries.
Frozen raspberries, sugar. And you pour it with the raspberries.
All right, watch this part. This is the best part right here.
Oh, and you make a mess of your mother's microwave. Hey, that's why we do it at Mom's house and not our own houses. There we go. Mash those up. Oof. Look at that. Oh, look at it. Oh, it's so perfect. Make sure you bake the paper into the cheesecake. That's the best part. See, you didn't do it right. Paper came off very easily. Let's check this out. It looks like a wheel of cheese. But upon cutting into it, it still looks like a wheel of cheese.
What does this one look like?
This one looks like a wheel of Gouda. Look at the Gouda. There we go.
You pour raspberries on top of Gouda.
You put the raspberry on top of the Japanese cheesecake. Because the Japanese got to be fancy like that. On a scale of 1 to 10, I don't know what I'm rating. But they look fantastic. They tasted fantastic. I finished them both because I'm a fatty. And it was only me who ate these cakes.